Hi everyone. So welcome to the tutorial on populating case study in Excel. We have this case study with us wherein we have a XYZ list of employees. There's a company XYZ and it has various employees, specifically 18 employees which are working in different departments. Males and females are present with different monthly salaries. Now I want to copy this data in Excel. So how will you start with this? First of all, I'll require to copy this title. So for this is XYZ company list of employees. What I can do is I can type down this over here. I can type down XYZ company list of employees. I've just typed down simply the title. This is done. Then we have main headings for serial number, name, department, gender, and monthly salary, which is given in dollars. For this also, either what can I do is I can type this down again. Serial number, I'm pressing tab. Then was name, tab. Then what was it? Department. Department, gender, and finally monthly salary, that too in dollar terms. Okay. Now I have just copied everything, or rather I have just typed down everything. Now one shortcut that I want you to know is I'm there on Excel and I'm trying to copy something from Word. So instead of just going again and again to the Word doc with help of this arrow and coming to the Excel sheet with the help of this arrow, you can make use of Alt Tab function. Alt plus Tab. So from your keyboard, you just need to simultaneously click on Alt and Tab and you will be taken to the Excel sheet and Word document side by side. So I have just typed down this and let's see what next is there. So I'm pressing Alt and Tab and I'm taken to the Word document where our case is present. So now we have 18 employees. We need to populate this data in Excel. I'll again press Alt Tab and I'll make use of autofill function of Excel that we have seen. So I've just typed 1, enter 2. I will select this cells and I will drag it till the number which I want, 18. 18 employees is what we wanted. Next thing is copying or typing down the name of the first employee. Let's see what is his name. His name was Bruce. So I am typing Bruce in cell C4. Then his department is marketing. He's a male with a salary of 2500. So I'm typing marketing, tab, male, pressing on tab key again, and 2500 is his monthly salary. Similarly, I have to copy the data for Jacob, for Melvin, Alicia. For each and every one, I have to type the data down and it's really not possible. In this case, at least we have 18 employees, but what if you have hundreds and thousands of employee data with you and you have to type down each and everything? Is that feasible? No, absolutely not. In this case, what we will do is we will make use of copy and paste function. I'm going to the Word document, and for copy and paste function, what you need to do is select this name, first name, that is Bruce. Okay, I will select this name with the help of mouse. I will right click. There is a copy function. So copy, press Alt Tab, to go to your Excel. Let me delete this to show you how to paste. I'll again right click and keep the source formatting paste option, first option. So Bruce is copied for us. Similarly, I'll copy Jacob. I'll select Jacob. I'll right click. I'll copy, press Alt Tab, come over here and paste it. So again, I have copy pasted for Jacob. But do you think I am going to copy down each and everything one by one and there is so much of data which is available. So let's see how do we copy a row. So copying a row will be really handy for us. So for this Jacob guy, I am going to select this entire row. I've selected this entire row with the help of our mouse. I'm going to right click Copy this, come to the second cell because Jacob is the second employee. Right click and paste. So can you see the data for Jacob is automatically copied. We are fine with it. But again, I am tired of copying each and every row. So since we have learned copying row, why not learn copying the column? So let's select everything from Bruce till Lydia. I have selected everything. I'm going to right click, copy, press Alt Tab, come to Bruce because we have selected him as well. Again, I'm going to paste it. So we have pasted all the names of the employees. So now we learn to copy the rows, we learn to copy the columns. So why not learn to copy the entire table? Yes, this is right. We are going to learn to copy the entire table. So instead of doing this one by one, either copying the one name and pasting it, or either copying one column or one row and pasting it, why not copy the entire table? So for copying entire table, can you see this plus sign or plus button over here? You need to click on this, right click, copy, and yeah, from serial number we'll have to paste it. So I'm coming to the cell which has serial number written over it and I'm going to paste it. So we have pasted the entire table. So once you paste it, you will see there is an option, paste option, for either keeping the source formatting or keeping the destination formatting. So what I have done is I've kept the source formatting, which is this. Source is your source, that is the Word document. So the formatting which is present in the Word document, similar formatting you will get it once you paste it according to source formatting. So let's see what happens when we do the destination formatting. There will be no formatting according to the Word document in this case. So the formatting will be what formatting was actually present in the Excel sheet. So according to that, the formatting will happen. So I'm clicking on this. So see, can you see the formatting matches the destination, that is Excel sheet formatting. So this is how we learn to copy our data from the case study, that is from the Word document. We have copied the entire data. But every time when we were trying to copy and paste it, we just right click and made use of copy and paste option. But now let's learn some shortcuts for this as well, for copy and for paste. For copy, the shortcut that you're going to use is Control plus C. To use is Control and V. So for copy it is Control C and for pasting it is Control V. Let me show you one example. Let's say I am copying this. I am selecting the row which has information for Hannah. I am pressing Control C. I am going to the Excel with the help of Alt Tab and I am pressing Control V directly. So whatever data was for Hannah, it directly got copied down over here. So I hope that you've learned how to populate some data from a Word document. Whether it is from a Word document or PowerPoint, you can copy it from anywhere and paste it in your Excel sheet.